Gohar Ali. I'm with NetSoft since 2012. During the course of time with NetSoft, I have achieved a total number of 32 certifications, where on top of that is Citrix Certified Enterprise Engineer and VMware Certified Professional and multiple other certifications. I have one of my friends who introduced me to NetSoft back in 2012, and I'm really thankful to my friend because NetSoft has completely changed my life. I have completed 15 courses and trainings with NetSoft. NetSoft has professional trainers, highly qualified. They work with students within their capacity to bring weak students to their level. Beside their regular classes, these trainers take more sessions to bring weak students to the good level. NetSoft trainers, they really motivate you and encourages you and pushes you to do more and more hands-on lab so that you are successful in your goal. Personally, I haven't seen anything bad in NetSoft. Whatever they plan, whatever they do with students, they might push you more, but at the end they have a goal so that you are successful. And there might be some time where you are challenged with more hours, but at the end it is all possible and they break your comfort zone. I have seen as many as students with NetSoft. I have not seen a single person failed after completion of the course at NetSoft. We had around 28 students and its result was 99.9%, and everyone I see around me are doing their dream jobs now. I approximately spend 40 hours a week, 20 hours within class and 20 beside the class during the week time. NetSoft has an extremely good program, Hire Me. But beside Hire Me, we had a number of sessions with NetSoft regarding resume and interview preparation. That was what was extremely good. At NetSoft, the most important thing that I have learned, and I really appreciate that, it made me goal-oriented. I have goals on daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis to achieve my annual goals in my professional life and in my personal development. At NetSoft, all the trainings were extremely good, but one of my best training was Citrix Zanap training, where I learned extremely good because Citrix is my favorite subject, which I can say was delivered simply the best. The reason I recommend NetSoft is that they make you goal-oriented and they motivate you, encourages you, and makes your career your ultimate goal to achieve it.